Hello, everybody. Today we are going to read the story A Dog and $3 by Mark Twain. I have always believed that being honest is important. I often said, never ask for money you haven't earned. Now I will share a story to show you how honest I have been throughout my life. A few days ago, I met General Miles at my friend's house. General Miles was a nice man and we quickly became friends. General asked me, "Did you live in Washington in 1867?" "Yes, I did," I replied. He wondered why we hadn't met then, and I explained. "General, we couldn't have met. You were already a great general, while I was an unknown young writer with unread books. You might not remember me, but we did meet in Washington at that time." I remember it well. I was poor, and often I didn't even have enough money for food. I had a friend, also a struggling writer. We lived and did everything together, including working, reading, and going for walks. When we were hungry, we were both hungry. Once we needed $3. I can't recall why, but I remember that we had to have the money by evening. "We need to get these $3," my friend said. "I'll try to get the money, and you should try too." I left the house, not knowing where to go or how to get the $3. I walked the streets of Washington for an hour and grew very tired. Finally, I reached a large hotel. "I'll go inside and rest," I thought. I entered the hotel's lobby and sat on a sofa. While I was sitting there, a cute little dog entered the lobby looking for someone. Since I had nothing else to do, I called it over and started playing with it. As I played with the dog, a man entered the lobby wearing a fine uniform. I recognized him immediately as General Miles from his pictures in the newspapers. "What a beautiful dog!" he exclaimed. "Is it your dog?" I didn't have time to answer before he asked, "Do you want to sell it?" $3, I replied promptly. $3? He asked. "That's very little. I can give you $50 for it." "No, no, I only want $3. "All right, it's your dog. If you want $3 for it, I'll be happy to buy it." General Miles gave me $3, took the dog, and went to his room. 10 minutes later, an elderly man entered the lobby. He looked around, clearly searching for something. "Are you looking for a dog, sir?" I asked. "Oh, yes." "Have you seen it?" he inquired. "Your dog was here a few minutes ago, and I saw it leave with a man," I explained. "If you'd like, I can try to find it for you." The man was very happy and asked for my help. "I'd be happy to help, but it will take some of my time and—" "I'm ready to pay you for your time," the man interrupted. "How much do you want for it?" $3, I replied. $3, he said, "but it's a good dog. I'll pay you $10 if you find it for me." "No, sir, I want $3 and not a dollar more," I insisted. Then I went up to General Miles' room. He was playing with his new dog. "I came here to take the dog back," I said. "But it's not your dog now. I bought it." "I paid you $3 for it," the general replied. "I'll give you back your $3, but I must take the dog back," I explained. "I couldn't sell it to you, sir, because it wasn't my dog." "Still, you sold it to me for $3. How could I sell it to you when it wasn't my dog?" "You asked me how much I wanted for the dog, and I said I wanted $3. But I never told you it was my dog." General Miles became very angry. "Give me back my $3 and take the dog," he shouted. When I returned the dog to its owner, he was very happy and paid me $3 with joy. I was also happy because I had the money and I felt like I had earned it. Now you can see why I say that honesty is the best policy, and a person should never take something they haven't earned.